Kourtney Kardashian has a passion for interior design, and previously said she would have loved to pursue it as a career if she hadn't found fame on Keeping Up with the Kardashians. So it's understandable that her family home is styled to perfection and truly luxurious, with sprawling gardens and an impressive playhouse for her children Mason, Penelope and Rain, constructed by their dad Scott Disick. Take a look through the gallery to see more of Kourtney's house. The 40-year-old opened the doors to her children's playhouse in an interview with Architectural Digest, explaining that she wanted it to be a technology-free place for them to play and read, with some old books that she and her sister Kim used to enjoy when they were children. Kourtney's kitchen has a modern gray color scheme, with stainless steel worktops and splashbacks, and a built-in shelf over the oven where she has a selection of herbs and spices on display. Glass-fronted cabinets offer a look at neatly stacked plates, bowls and mugs. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star no doubt proved incredibly popular with her children when she hosted an outdoor sleepover and movie screening in the garden of her home during the summer. She set up a huge screen and comfy seats with blankets on the lawn for her family to all relax on. Kourtney certainly appears to have a flair for styling, judging by this beautiful sitting room, which features neatly stacked books on the coffee tables, an open log fire and array of sofas and a chaise longue creating a cozy ambience. Kourtney revealed another angle of her living room in an Instagram post, showing a piano in one corner, a coffee table topped with books, and a stand where she had another book of photography on display. Kourtney shared a look in what appears to be her bedroom in an Instagram post during the coronavirus lockdown. It featured an unmade large king-size bed, a large fluffy white rug and a coffee table full of books and a vase with white flowers. Her son Rain's bedroom, meanwhile, features a bed in the shape of a house, with built-in shelving for his toys on either side. The room has a curtained-off section with a separate play area and a cool monochrome color palette. The mum of three styled her coffee table with vases of flowers and a selection of books and candles. Kourtney invested in a collection of 12 Jeanerette teak conference chairs for her dining room, each worth anywhere from $6,000 to $10,000, positioned at her dark wooden dining table. How stylish is Kourtney's bathroom? With a monochrome aesthetic featuring open shelving to display towels and all of her pampering essentials, plus a sleek vanity unit topped with a vase of red roses, it's the perfect spot for the busy mum of three to unwind. Kourtney's interior designer Martin Lawrence Bullard shared a look inside Kourtney's office over the summer, revealing that it includes a chair that once belonged to former French President Mitterrand in the 1970s. The vintage chairs are from Pierre Jeanerette and can sell for over £10,000 a pair, and are positioned next to a Jules Lele desk, another designer whose furniture can sell for anywhere between £2,000 to £73,000 online. Kourtney previously gave fans a glimpse inside the guest room she has designed for visitors, which she said she wanted to give a hotel vibe, with fresh bathrobes and towels, extra blankets and bottled water. Just like the rest of her family, Kourtney also has a wardrobe most women would dream of, with floor-to-ceiling shelving lined with her huge shoe collection, as well as open clothing rails and a cabinet of accessories. The 40-year-old's garden has its own private pool and terrace lined with sun loungers, while there is also a basketball court and pristine lawns where her children can play. Kourtney held her daughter's birthday party in the garden in 2018, with rainbow inflatables next to the pool for the fun event. So, let us know, what is the most you liked about Kourtney's house? Write in the comments section.